Hi, welcome to KKPB online training. So actually, we are planning to start new batch 12, data analyst online training. New batch started on 11th August 2023 at 7 p.m. The skill set is Power BI, SQL, SSAS, Snowflake, Azure Fundamentals, and Azure Data Factory. So first, I teach you each skill separately. Then, once it is done, the benefits of this course, we give the 10 projects and also the interview questions. So in that interview questions, resume creation and work process, and also the onboarding process, all those things we can cover into that interview questions. Next one is materials. We provide the materials also, recorded videos. First we teach into the theoretical knowledge, then I will explain to the practically. And every day I will give the task on that top based on the topic. And we can, after this course, we conduct the mock interviews. The course fee is 20,000. Eligibility is minimum any degree. The demo link, if in case anyone to interest, so click on we have to, I just pin a comment, the demo link. Just click on that link and join on 11th August 2023. So, and also the website link I just pinned onto the first comment. If in case if you needed to see the content, what are the course content, you just click onto that website. So you have to go to this page. Okay, there is a course content. You have to see the overall Power BI syllabus and SQL Server syllabus, SSAS syllabus, Azure syllabus, and Azure Data Factory syllabus, Snowflake syllabus. Just click on any one of these. So you have to see the syllabus of so whatever the topic name and how many hours it can take. So all you can see here. So if in case anyone to interest, okay, so contact these numbers. If your friends are, please refer your friends also. Thank you all.